Russ here from ProSteam. Simply Carpets and Flooring, who are based in Karndean, Surrey, have recently installed this beautiful Karndean floor throughout the downstairs ground floor of this property. I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around. So we've just arrived. We haven't started cleaning the floor yet. So you might be able to see areas where the floor is soiled, and obviously when the fitters are fitting the floor, you can see around here that they're obviously going to be leaving handprints, or they may have trodden something in from outside or whatever, so the floor needs to be cleaned. So we are going to deep clean the floor to remove all the dirt, and then we are going to seal the floor. So at the moment the floor looks pretty miserable. It just looks dull and soiled. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove all that dirt and then apply several coats of a matte stroke satin finish product that's going to not only enhance the colour of the floor, it's going to prolong the floor by adding an extra layer of protection to the top layer of the floor, and that should continue to protect and to enhance the tile for anywhere between 12 to 18 months. And then once it starts to wear off, we simply come back, strip the floor and reseal it again. So there you go. So let's start with cleaning the floor, and then that will be followed by a seal. Another Karndean floor cleaned and sealed by ProSteamUK, and let's have a little walk through. It's looking really nice now. We've removed all the dirt. We've given this floor 2 coats of Dr. Schutt's Secure Hard Seal, and it's brought out the richness of the colour, as you can see there. But so it's a low sheen finish. Let's walk through this room here. So in a few hours' time, these areas will have the furniture replaced. There's this area here. This flooring was laid by Simply Carpets and Flooring, based in Karndean, Surrey. And it's optional if you would like your brand new Antico or Karndean floor professionally cleaned and sealed from day one. ProSteam are here to help. Visit www.prosteamuk.com for further details. Thank you very much for watching.